Hello YouTubers, my name is Alan Mickey. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to add an app that will run automatically at Windows Startup in Windows 10, and also how to change which app runs at automatically at Windows Startup in Windows 10. So guys, please, if this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification icon so you will be updated on the new videos we are going to be uploading. Actually, this channel is just a virgin channel. We are just starting off this channel, and we are going to be give you guys more and more videos each week. We are going to uploading 3 times. So without further doing, let's get started. So the first thing you do is go to your Windows button here and click on it. Go to all apps, scroll to the app you want to set to run as startup. I'll be going with Chrome. I'll right click on Chrome. That's you right click on the app you want to set up to run at startup. You right click on the app and you go to more, go to open file location. You click on it. Why the file location is getting open, let's go to our keyboard and click the Windows icon. Press the Windows key, that's the window icon key on your keyboard, and arrow, that's Windows key plus arrow. It will pop up this window. You type this command, that is shell colon start up. You click OK. Mine show up automatically because I've been using it. So you wait for the page to open. So let's wait for it to open. Yeah, it has opened. The next thing you do is you copy the shortcut of the app or application you want to run at startup. Here I'm going with Chrome, so this is a file location of Chrome. I'll copy it. All you do, you can select it and copy it. That's Control C. You can use Control C to copy, or you right click on it and click on copy, and you come to this folder. That's it. You see here Windows, Start menu, Programs, and Startup. In this folder, this is a folder that executes when the computer comes on. It run every app it sees inside here. So you paste what you have just copied inside. That's your software of choice, app of choice I want to run and start up. I'll, I'll paste my Chrome here. Yeah, this is Chrome. So that's it. You close it. Can close the folders. Yeah, you close the folders. So that's it. If you restart your computer or you turn your computer off and start it back, the application you set will run automatically. If it is a script, it will run at the background. Why? If it is a GUI, that's a graphical user interface application, the GUI will automatically pop up. That's the interface we show on your desktop. So another way to go with this, guys, instead of going to your Windows start menu here and searching the app you want, you can actually just search it from here using the Windows search, quick search. You search the app you want. So here I'll go with internet anywhere, everywhere. Yeah, this is the app here. I'll click on this arrow here. That's internet. Okay, this one, internet anywhere, or you right click on it. Still the same process. You right click on the app. You see, the same options here. I see the same options here. So you open file location and come back to your keyboard and click and press Windows icon plus arrow. Windows icon plus arrow. You pop up this window again. Pop up that window. All you need to do is click OK. You click OK. After you have typed the command inside here, you click OK, and it should, yeah, should actually pop up this window here. Yep, should pop up this window here. Take it sideways because it is overlapping this other one. As you can see, all you need to do is to copy this shortcut from here like we did previously and paste it this other way. See, I've already done it. So anytime I restart my computer or turn on my computer or reboot it, I'm going to see this program running. So without further doing, please guys, if you are learning something new from this video, please leave a thumbs up and a comment down below, and let's move forward. We are going to be moving forward on how to change which app runs automatically at Windows Startup. So with that, what we are going to do is, the first thing you do is select the start menu of your computer. That's the start menu of your computer here. Select apps. On apps, you will see this setting here. You click on settings. That's, yeah, you open settings, and let's wait for settings to open. Yeah, when it opens, you go to apps. Yeah, you come to apps. While you're on apps, you come to start up. As you click on start up, start up should open. Why? Let's wait. Let's see. Yeah, here we are on start up. Let's wait for it to load the programs. Okay, these are programs that start automatically at Windows Startup. As you can see, we have Chrome here. We just added Chrome, and these other apps, they start at startup or when you start your computer. So if you don't want any of this app to run automatically when you start on your computer, all you need to do is turn this off. Me, actually, I'll be turning this internet anywhere off, and turning Chrome off. I don't want these two to run when my computer reboot or is turned on. So guys, those was the tricks you can use to add and remove apps that run a Windows Startup. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up for this video if you are loving it, and don't forget to comment if you learned something from it or you had me make some mistakes. Please comment down below for improvement, and we are gonna be uploading videos 3 times a week on this channel. So please hit the notification icon to keep updated anytime we upload a new video. Thank you, and see you next time. It's your boy again, Allen Mickey, aka Koda Mickey, as you can see here.